Do you want to figure out the secrets of how you can start making money online? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with affiliate marketing for beginners in 2019. As always, this has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci. Thank you for tuning in to another video. For this specific video, I will be using the website known as clickbank.com. Clickbank is one of the leading founders for affiliate marketing. Don't pay that any attention. That's just females. But ClickBank is the #1 source for affiliate marketing. It's been around for multiple years, and today I'm going to show you how you can make money through using ClickBank. So before we begin, this is the website www.clickbank.com, clickbank.com. And what you're going to want to do is, if you never heard this website, it is free to make an account. You just come up here, create an account. You'll put in some personal information, not too personal, but just enough information for them to know about who they're paying, where to pay you, and just about your background a little bit. I'm already signed in, but if you are having an account, you'll click right here and click the login button. So once you've done that and you verified your email, you're going to want to come to the affiliate marketplace. Now here on the affiliate marketplace, you're going to be shown thousands upon thousands of offers for you to choose from, and I'm going to show you the best way for you to choose an offer so that you not only can make a sale, but that you can have passive income generated to you on a monthly basis. So as you see, this is the home page. This is what your page should look like regardless of what your account is. It's no different from mine. Over here, if you see my mouse scrolling, you will see the categories for you to choose from. You have arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, business, investing, computer and internet, e-business, and e-marketing. So for this specific video, I know in the past I made videos on weight loss. This one we're going to go into e-business and e-marketing. So as you can see here on ClickBank, this is just the first 1 out of 10 offers out of 471. So when you decide to click on your category, remember you can choose multiple categories, but just for this one I'm focusing on e-business and e-marketing. You want to come here and click on this bar, and where it says search for results by, you do want to change this from popularity right here, scroll all the way down to gravity. Now what this is going to do is show you, let me see if I can highlight it right here. Yes. Now when you choose any offer, you want to look for this right here. Gravity is basically showing you the amount of people that's promoting this offer and how successful it has been for them. Now what you want to do is you want to look at the gravity, and what it's going to show you is the amount of people who's selling this. So as you can see, 115.96 people. Now for some of you watching this video, I know you're thinking, well, if there's a lot of people already selling these offers, what's the chances of us making money? And what I want to tell you is you need to change your mindset, because when there's a lot of people selling an offer, that means there's an opportunity. That means that there's an audience already there waiting for your offer, for you to put it in front of them so that you can help them with their pain problems and offer them a solution. Now with that out of the way, let's check out some things that I want you to notice before we continue on. So what you're going to want to do is, once you found the offer, let me find the offer right here real fast, just for time's sakes. I'm looking for some with a decent amount of gravity. Alright, we're going to go with this. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come here. You're going to click on this nice big old promote button right here. And what this is going to do, this is going to have your account nickname right here. Whatever you put in when you create your account, that is what it's going to be. What you then want to do is you want to click on generate hop links. Oh, it's not going to show you because my name's not in. Alright, so we're going to come here, put in my username. It will give me a link right here. Now with this link, I'm going to want to, can I copy this? Alright. So you're going to want to click on that. Says I have successfully copied my hop link. I can paste it into the URL. Now this is a special trick that I normally show the people enrolled on my newsletter and on my email list, let alone my students. But this is a way for you to track the traffic of the affiliate offer, so that you know who's promoting this offer, what traffic working best for them, what keywords they're using to target, and so on and so on. So To accomplish this, we're going to come to a website known as similarweb.com. This is a free website where you can spy not only just your affiliate offers, but if you're in e-commerce, you can spy on your competitors' websites to see where they're getting traffic for their products and where they're sending the most results for their keywords. So we're going to copy that link that we just copied from clickbank.com. Going to hit Control V, which is paste, or you can right click and hit paste, whatever works best for you. Then you're going to hit search. Now what SimilarWeb is going to do is going to load up all the traffic that's been sent to this page, and from there we're going to get an idea of what's working, and what we're basically going to learn from other people's mistakes so that we don't end up doing the same thing, and that we're able to implement and short the learning curve so that we're able to get the results that we're looking to achieve in the fastest time possible. So I'm going to try this again. It's saying that my link is not working for this ClickBank offer, so we're going to try this again. Actually, we're going to do a different one. So we're going to try on this offer right here. Just let this load. Give me a few seconds here. If you get any of this that pops up when you click an offer, all these are different OTOs, which stands for long story short, this is just upsells and downsells offer. So when you hit the initial sale right here, let me show you. So for this offer, you'll make $13.83. That is the first offer. That is the tripwire offer, as they call it. This is just to get the foot in the door. But as you can see, if we hit on promote, we have all these different specifications on the side. Each one of these are upsells and downsells, just another way for you to make money. Now what you want to do is you want to ignore all that because it's already in this. You don't have to touch none of this. You leave it on default. We're going to come down here again, generate hop link. Hold on. Alright, here we go. This time I'm gonna try it this way and copy, and just to be sure, I'm gonna click on this. Yup, it says I have successfully copied. I'm gonna come back to similarweb.com, and I'm gonna refresh this browser. Then what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to paste this link into similarweb.com. And what we're going to do next is we're going to look at the amount of traffic that this is getting, to see what social media platform that my competition is using for this, and we're going to try and flip that to our advantage so that we're able to get the best results for our affiliate offer. Now I allow my computer to load up. As you can see, I have a lot of tabs going because I don't just specify in affiliate marketing. It is one of my sources of income. But I also do a lot of e-commerce, SEO, freelancing, copywriting, blogging, the whole kit and caboodle. I'm a man of many hats. So I'm going to try that again. Click on search. Now it's going to load up. And then we're going to be able to pull up some data right here. Oh, this is odd. Okay. So let's try this another way. Let's do that. And then we're going to click on this. Let's see if that'll work any better. If this doesn't work, don't worry. I'm going to show you this before I exit out this video. I just need you to stay patient along with me. So, believe that my browser is messing up here. Ignore AliExpress. If you haven't seen my previous video on that, definitely check it out. It'll be one of the videos in the description below. So, you see similarweb.com as I just typed into my browser, and gonna let that load. Bear with me here. Right, awesome. Let's load it up. As you can see, it's free to sign up if you like to make an account, but it's not necessary. It is optional, but it isn't necessary, as I've explained. Gonna come here. Hold on. Paste the link. Boom. Alright, and it's saying it's not found for some reason. This is odd. Normally it'll show me the data and the analytics of this. Let's try this one more time. If it doesn't work this time, I'll have to make a separate video. Looks like I'm gonna have to reboot my computer. Alright, so SimilarWeb's not working, so let's see if we can try SimilarWeb cousin, which is actually SimilarSites.com. It's a lot of similarities. Nonetheless, we're going to load this up. We're going to paste the link in here. What we're going to do, we're going to try and do the same thing, which is to see the traffic that's being sent to the affiliate offer, so that we're able to save not only money, but get a good return on investment for the money that we're putting in. The goal is for every dollar that's spent, we want to at least make $5 to $10 back if possible. A lot of people might think, wow, that's really wild that I can spend $1 and make $5 to $10 back. If it's set up properly, this is possible. So this is saying that this isn't able to work either. So let's see if I can load it up in one of my extensions here. Similar sites. Right, we're going to load up the extension here. Give me a moment. This is also a free extension if you have Google Chrome. You can definitely install this. I haven't really got around to using this much, but I figure why not, right? Why not show you something that you probably haven't seen before? It's gonna load up the website here. It's not what I wanted to do. Hold on, y'all. Bear with me. Stay to the end. I promise you this will be worth it, and this will save you years of what it took me to learn for me to get this up and running. SimilarWeb. Well, it turns out that I don't have the Chrome extension installed. I thought I did, but apparently I was wrong. So what I'm gonna have to do is save this for another video then. But real quick before I go and you exit out this video, because I wasn't able to show you how to get the traffic, I will show you in another video. But what you're going to want to do is find your offer, look for the gravity right here where it says average sale. This is how much that you're getting paid. You want to go to promote. You'll copy your affiliate link from ClickBank. Make sure that you have your name within the title. When you do that, if you do not have your name in the offer, you will not get paid. Let me repeat that. If you do not have, if you do not have your username in your affiliate offer, when you get the hop link, you will not get paid. If it has a link like this that doesn't include your name, that's fine. But you do want to include your account nickname up here so that you know when you paste this offer, you will get paid. But that's going to be all for this video. If you'd like to see a part 2 of where I show you how to get traffic to your affiliate marketing offers from using clickbank.com, leave me a comment below and I will definitely respond back to you. If you enjoyed what you've seen, make sure you give this video a like. Thank you for watching. Over here I'm going to have some more videos for you. Down here I will have a playlist of which I created for affiliate marketing. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I release new videos to help you short your learning curve so that you can make passive income, make money online on the internet. Thank you as always. This has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci. Click on the link in the description to join my newsletter. This has been signing off. Have a good night, good morning, good afternoon.